All right, well, President Donald Trump and China's Xi Jinping agreed to a trade truce in October to remove limitations on shipments of rare earth elements. But market participants claim that China is still restricting the metals which the U.S. needs to manufacture permanent magnets and other items. And that is according to a Bloomberg report quoting over a dozen consumers, producers, government officials, and trade experts. Now, the U.S. industry still cannot get its hands on raw materials needed to manufacture permanent magnets, and that is a key priority for the Trump administration. On the other hand, China has increased shipments of the final product, and despite a truce, tensions in U.S.-China relationship have persisted. When the deal was announced, Trump said it meant China had de facto removed a number of restrictions. However, by limiting raw material deliveries, Beijing is hindering U.S.'s effort to develop its own industry, or to transform rare earth into magnet, that is. After China spent years creating a worldwide monopoly, the Trump administration declared it a top goal to develop domestic production capacity for rare earth items. However, in recent weeks, U.S. officials have said that China is complying with the terms of the deal on rare earth supplies. Official Chinese data showed magnet supplies to the U.S. fell 11% from October to November. However, China's exports are still higher than the lows observed when Beijing limited them in April during the peak of the trade war. November saw a 13% increase over October in China's total exports of rare earth elements and products. A representative from China's Commerce Ministry said that variations in monthly trade figures are normal. Now, the representative stressed that Beijing is devoted to preserving the steadiness of global supply chains. China claims to have authorized certain rare earth export applications, but is still limiting shipments that could reach defense firms.